Here's room 7131, interior cabin with connecting stateroom. So here's the room. The extra beds drop down from the ceiling, and they'll pull those down for our kids usually after they clean the room around dinner time. Here's the door to the other stateroom. The other stateroom looks just the same. It's really nice having the connecting door. It's kind of like making one big room go back and forth instead of kids running out in the hall to get back and forth. Got your TVs, your little refrigerator, and you can store your water bottles. A couple sets of drawers, and you got a little storage both sides of the mirror, and then the main closet's right here where there's safe that you can use, shelves, hangers, a little bit of room up top, and that's it.